Welcome home. I'm Joselyn Burgess, Realtor with the Plowman team, and super stoked to take you on a tour of our home for sale located in Oshawa. This incredible Bungaloft, I can't wait for you to check it out. Come on in. Here we are in this amazing Bungaloft style home. It has a double car garage, it's detached, you have this beautiful foyer, a powder room, and this massive cathedral ceilings in a dining room and sitting area. We're gonna follow through here and we're gonna check out the eat-in kitchen with the living space and family room with a gas fireplace. So much room for cooking, enjoying, and entertaining. Now what I want you to do is check out the primary with the ensuite, the second bedroom on the main, and I'll meet you back in the dining room. And now I can't wait to show you this part of the house. This home is not only a bungalow, but it is a whole separate living space upstairs in the loft area. Let's go check it out. And here we are up in this super cool loft area. Totally separate hangout area, 2 extra bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a linen closet. Check it out. Thanks for taking the tour with me today of our home for sale in Oshawa. If you have any questions, give the number above a call, and don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date of all our homes for sale.